So this week we had a pretty cool duo of cars coming to the shop. They're both really similar vehicles and they got very similar packages with us. So they're two C8 Z06s and they both opted to get the track package from us. Being as they both track their vehicles, and it's very obvious, the one guy came in with the helmet still sitting in his passenger seat. They both saw the importance of paint protection film not only on the front of their car, but also on the rocker panels. It's a high impact area where rocks are bound to get flung up on the track. You're going at really high speeds and rocks and paint don't get along on the track. So I'm sure that these cars are a blast on the track. They're a huge step up from the normal C8 Stingray from what I could see. I love the new engine that comes in them, the flat plane V8, and just the overall look of them is a big improvement from the C8 Stingray. We're so used to doing the Stingrays, and being that the car is so much different than the Stingray, it poses a little bit more of a challenge for us. The kits are a little bit different. The front end, as well as the rockers, are both very different. So it's a little bit more challenging, but I feel like we got it down pretty good. We don't get to see a whole lot of track cars in this shop, so it was definitely cool to see two very similar cars getting very similar packages in the shop. It was a pleasure to work on it. I'm certain the customers will be happy.